Hi guys, we're just going to go over the agenda. So this week we have our study guide. I handed that out in class. If you were not here, I did post the PDF version for you and you can just download that and write on your screen. Or if you have a printer, you can print that off. Or if you happen to be at school during Life Ed, you can come and grab that. Then there's a practice test for you to do on big ideas. This practice test is very similar to your study guide, but not exactly the same. If you can complete the practice test, though, you will do great on the test. And then in class, we're going to do a quick little warm up. We're going to go over the study guide and review, and then we will test in person. And this test will be on paper, and it'll be our last 80% grade before the semester's up. And so if you're absent, you need to let me know so that way I can send you a digital copy of that. So like I said, in your folder, there's not a whole lot showing up for you guys, but it's the study guide is located right here. Then we have the study guide. This is where you're going to submit it on big ideas. Or sorry, you're going to submit it on Schoology. Whoa. And then you will complete the practice test on big ideas. And then, like I said, if you're absent, this is just a little note to remind you that you are going to need to let me know. That way, you're not missing an 80% grade. So, that's all we have for this week. I'm going to let you get started. Don't forget my Zoom times at 9:45 to 11 or 10:45 to 11:30 on Wednesdays, and then Thursdays and Fridays. That should actually say 11 or 10:30 to 11. So I apologize for that. So if you have questions, hop on there, send me an email. Don't be afraid to reach out, and I'm going to let you guys go so that way you guys can get started on all of your stuff for this week.